Ever wonder why some logos stick in your mind while others fade away? Here's the secret behind their design magic. Think about your favorite logo, Nike's swoosh, Apple's bitten fruit, or even the AT&T globe. Have you ever wondered why these logos feel so memorable, universal, and timeless? It's not by chance. Let's dive into what makes a logo truly impactful. Distinctiveness. A distinctive logo ensures your brand stands out. Think originality. It's about avoiding confusion with competitors and building trust with your audience. Memorability. Simplicity is key here. A memorable logo sticks in your mind, creating instant recall and stronger associations. Visibility. A logo's visibility matters in every size or context. From tiny business cards to giant billboards, it needs to look clear and professional. But what about the functional side of logos? Usability. A versatile logo adapts to all formats while keeping its essence intact. Universality. Does the logo resonate across a company's various ventures? A universal design aligns with both present and future goals. Finally, let's think about the long haul. Durability. A great logo reflects the big picture, not just where the company is today, but where it's headed. Timelessness. Trendy designs fade. Timeless logos transcend decades by relying on classic elements. So the next time you design or evaluate a logo, ask yourself, is it distinctive, memorable, visible, and does it stand the test of time? Remember, a well-crafted logo isn't just an image. It's a story, a promise, and a vision. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone passionate about design. See you next time.